Hello, if you are new to gardening or you love gardening, love having fun gardening, welcome to this channel. That's all this channel is about, gardening and having fun, sharing knowledge and some tips about gardening. So today I'm going to show you how to plant corn, sweet corn in a pot or in a container, and let's dive right in. This is the sweet corn. It says it's great for barbecue. Days to harvest is 85 days and it is vegetable. And so it has the instructions at the back, how to plant it, all the instructions. So what I see here, it says a very sweet, extremely tender hybrid sweet corn. Ears are 8 to 9 inches long with up to 14 to 16 rows of sweet tender kernels. So planting instructions, it says sow seed directly in the garden after all danger of frost is past and soil is warm. Plant one seed every 4 inches. Thin to one plant every 12 inches. Plant well. When plants are 4 inches tall, control weed with a mulch and keep plants well watered, especially when tops begin to tassel. So that is the instructions on how to use it, and then there are some suggestions for better ear fill. Plant a number of short rows together instead of a single long row. This helps ensure pollination for plenty of corn all season. Plant early and late varieties. So also here it tells you, it says date of germination 7 to 10 days, and then planting depth is 1 to 1.5 inch, how deep you should plant it, and then days to harvest is 85 days, and then spacing or row plant is 3 inches by 12 inches. So since we are only going to use a pot, we are just going to use one pot, and we are going to sow the seed directly into the pot in the soil. And so I am actually going to plant 2 seeds in the pot. So let's see how that goes. So I'm going to open this up and let's see how the seed looks like, this corn seed. I have not planted a corn in a pot before, so this is going to be another experiment for me. So this is how the corn looks like. Oh, look at that. Not that many in here at all. You can count that. I think we have what, 6, and then another 3, 9. So that is 12, and then 12, another 3, 3, 3, 9, another 12. Okay, so it's not that many. So 3 there, 3 there, 9. That'll be 12, 12, 24, 27, and that'll be 30. So we have 36 corns in here. All right, so I'm just going to plant according to the instructions. I'm gonna put this back in here. According to the instructions, you have to plant 1 seed every 4 inches. So when we look at our soil here, I am actually going to measure this. So it says plant, the depth should be 1 to 1.5. So this is 1 inch, 1 to 1.5. So that's how deep we are going to plant this, 1 to 1.5. And so let's say this is 1 to 1.5 deep. All right, so then I'm going to make a little hole in the middle of the soil, and let's see that it's 1. So from here, let's say if we do this like that, that is 1, 1.5. So yeah, that shouldn't be too bad. So right there. All right, so I'm going to make the hole. Normally I just eyeball this and plant, so like that. Okay, and I'm going to put the seed in. I'm actually going to plant 2. It says 1, but I'm going to plant 2. So I'm going to put 1 seed here. So this is 1 seed. I'm going to put 1 seed there, and I'm going to put 1 seed here as well. So you can see 2 corn seed, sweet corn seed. So 1 here, and I'm going to put another 1 here. And then all I have to do is we're just going to cover this up a little bit, just like that. You don't want too much soil on this. And then we are just going to water it. So we're just going to give it water to help with the germination quickly. Alright, so this should be enough water. We're just gonna wait 7 to 10 days to see how the germination process happens. To mark this so I know it's corn. And then this is the soil that I use. I mark that as well. So we have corn. And that's how you plant a corn in a pot. Now we can see that there is water coming out of the side, so that means that we give a lot of water to the soil. That should help with the germination quickly. And you can see, so this now tells us that there is enough water for this to grow. So that's it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video if you will help somebody who is wanting to learn how to plant a corn in a container or in a pot. Well, this is how it's done once you mix up your soil. And you can watch the other video that I show you how to mix your soil, what to put in before start planting your vegetables or your seeds or your plants. And I will see you on the next video. Take care and subscribe to the channel, and let me show you how to grow the rest.